Hey everyone, my name is Lunga. I'm a comedian, MC, and intuitive life coach. And today's question is, what does it mean to be a psychic? So, my first impression of a psychic, before I knew what I know now, I would tell you that a psychic is a fortune teller, a woman in a dark room that can tell your future by looking at your hands. Or a gypsy woman with a crystal ball whose opening line is, "Come inside, I've been expecting you." Or how about Merlin, the historical figure from Camelot? He was a wizard. And yes, they may all pass as psychic, but it doesn't always have to be that deep. And what I've learned at the International School of Intuition and Healing is that we all have psychic abilities and they work exactly like our five senses. They just have different names for it. Sometimes when you see a passed on loved one, that's a psychic reaction. Sometimes we hear a guiding voice in our head guiding us out of danger. Sometimes receiving a brilliant idea for a project or how to improve on a certain area of your life. And somehow you just know that that was a gift from God. I would even go as far as saying that receiving goosebumps, or sometimes when the hair stands up at the back of your neck, that could also be a psychic reaction. And the word that I use to describe these experiences is your intuition. So at the International School of Intuition and Healing, we are taught all about these psychic abilities and how we can use them to gather accurate information for our clients and for ourselves. And you might find that some of us predominantly only use one or two of these psychic senses, but that does not mean that you do not have any access to the other psychic senses. It just means that they might need more time, like exercising a muscle. And at the school, they teach you how to do all of that.